Hello children, this is part 2 of the same chapter, My Diary. So students, do you remember what we discussed in the last video? Yes, we discussed that what is a diary. So quickly pause the video and recall that what is a diary. Yes. So apart from what is a diary, we discussed a character that was the main character who wrote the diary. Yes, the main character of the diary is male. So she is a girl and she got a diary by her father, and she tells that what does her father do, and she tells about her mother also. What does her mother do in the diary. So everything she tells and she writes in her diary, which we read, though she warned us not to read her diary, but still we got a chance to read her diary, of course. So we read it. So now we are going to have the another paragraph of the same chapter, My Diary. So let's start the paragraph. So now what she writes that when I was small, Amma used to give me a rupee if I could keep quiet for 10 minutes. She says I would ask every 30 seconds if it was 10 minutes. But at least I had no other questions to ask. Now, students, if you listen to me carefully or you read it this paragraph carefully, so you will come to know that how is the character, how is male by nature. Yes, so a child who asks lots of questions, what we call that child is very curious, वेरी टॉकेटिव, बहुत बातूनी, बहुत ज़्यादा जिज्ञासु है, एंड ही और शी कीप्स आस्किंग क्वेश्चन एवरी टाइम, डिस्टर्बिंग अस, हमें परेशान करता रहता है. सो शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ पर्सन, काइंड ऑफ चाइल्ड, and she is very curious and she keeps asking question. So in her childhood, what did her mother used to do? She used to give her 1 rupee to make her quiet for at least 10 minutes, and for 10 minutes she did not have any question. उसके पास कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं होते थे. And the moment 10 minutes were over, जैसे ही 10 minutes over हो जाते थे, again she started asking questions after each 30 seconds. हर 30 seconds के बाद she used to have a question. So somehow her mother used to make her quiet by giving 1 rupee after 10 minutes, after every 10 minutes. Now see what she has written. In this book, I'm going to write about everything I think of, and nobody is going to ask me to keep quiet. Now, see, when we ask a talkative child to be quiet, even your teacher at times asks you that do not talk, be quiet. So we feel like, यार, if we can't we ask questions, हम questions नहीं पूछ सकते हैं, and we should ask question पूछने से we increase, we enhance our intelligence, or we enhance our knowledge. So somewhere this girl also feels that why should I not ask question, मैं question क्यों ना पूछूं. But now as she has got a diary, उसको diary मिल गई है, तो she is very happy, and now she is saying that whatever question I want to ask, I can ask in the diary. Whatever I feel like speaking, whatever I feel like doing, I can do everything in my diary, and my diary is not going to get disturbed. और मेरी डायरी कोई भी वो ना खुद डिस्टर्ब होगी और ना मुझे डिस्टर्ब करेगी. सो finding a diary somewhere, Mel is so happy because now she is free to ask questions. I covered the notebook today with some old wrapping paper that Amma had, and I stuck this label I had on it too. So now, today, the day she has written this page, or the day she has written all this thing, so same day she has covered her नोटबुक. उसने अपनी नोटबुक को कवर किया है विथ सम ओल्ड रैपिंग पेपर्स जो उसकी ममा के पास थे, एंड शी स्टक अ लेबल ऑन हर डायरी, एंड विच शी हैड ऑलरेडी हैड, जो उसके पास ऑलरेडी था. And now let's see, seeing the label, seeing everything done by her father, seeing everything done by his daughter, हाउ डिड हर फादर फील, उसके फादर को कैसा लगा. अपा थॉट इट वॉज ग्रैंड. सो इस लेबल को देख कर her father is so happy. He thinks that it is whatever she has done with the diary, it is so grand. उसको वो पूरा बहुत शानदार है. He appreciates his daughter. He said, when I become fabulously rich and famous, he will show everybody this diary and tell them how he knew from the start that I was going to be a writer. I did now till writer will discuss. So seeing everything, her father was so happy. And how did he express his feeling? He said to his daughter, वो अपनी लड़की से क्या उन्होंने कहा? He said that whenever you become, it means whenever his daughter becomes fabulously rich, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा rich, too much rich and famous, he would tell everyone that how his daughter started writing diary, कैसे उनकी डॉटर ने डायरी लिखना शुरू किया. एंड वाई डिड ही गिव हिज डॉटर अ डायरी? बिकॉज ही न्यू दैट हिज डॉटर विल बी वन डे अ ग्रेट राइटर. उसकी डॉटर एक दिन बहुत बड़ी राइटर बनेगी. सो लिसनिंग टू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, she didn't say anything. She remained quiet. बिल्कुल चुप रहती है. Students, it happens with you also that if teachers or if our parents praise us, appreciate us for our deeds, for our good job, then we become silent. We remain silent. हम कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं and we internally feel proud of ourselves, है ना? So same happened with her, that she did not say anything when her father said all these things, that I will appreciate you, or I will tell the whole world that how did you start all these things, or how did you start writing. So she remained quiet and she hoped, उसने उम्मीद की that yes, she would one day become a great writer. And what did she say? She said, I didn't say anything, but I crossed my fingers and my toes. Now she didn't say anything, कुछ नहीं कहा, and she hoped that whatever her father is saying would be true one day. Now students, just underline these words. Students, this is a phrase that means when we hope something good to happen, जब हम किसी अच्छी चीज़ को होने की उम्मीद करते हैं, so we use this phrase, cross fingers and toes, right? Now see the next paragraph. Appa's super proud of my writing. Last month I won this poetry competition in school and he told everyone on the planet about it. So now she is telling that when she won